Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. This is a Chausson 6040 Etape Line, or Etape Line, and integrated motorhome. Have a look inside and you can say below what you think of it. 90,000 euros, 697 centimeters long, 7 meter class. Oh. Well, I think that's quite impressive. You've got this huge area. Looks like somebody's home. You know, I know people have got like a couch down like that and a low coffee table. And but the low coffee table actually grows to be a big coffee table. If you come to the front, you've got this wonderful view. The reason there isn't a wonderful view here is because this has been put into position, but that'll go back up there. In fact, it'll go all the way, and I'll show you how that works. I will of course do a demonstration of this in my own vehicle. Integrated vehicle with a door on the driver's side, Fiat Ducato. We've got a drop down bed. I can't drop it down for you because I'm at the trade fair, and I don't want to be seen to be playing with things in motorhomes, which don't belong to me. Although there's nobody in there. Let's just drop it down anyway. Oh, guess what? They're taking the fuses out. This so and so's. Let's see if I can get the table to go up then. Taking the fuses out with that as well. Okay, that was to be understood. Kitchen, 2 burners, sink, lots of storage area, lots of workspace. Fridge, fat, large, doesn't open, does open. Freezer, above fridge. More storage. I think that's for your television. You swing the television out. Here at the back we've got this dressing area and shower. Very nicely appointed shower. But this here at the rear, this is the pièce de résistance. You've got this huge storage area at the back. If you're living in a van, this might be really suitable for you. 2 people, 2-person van, or 2 sleeping places. You can have all your mates around, because it's big enough. Toilet here, sink there. And this is all divided off via this sensible sliding door. Very good, eh? So, it's lots and lots of space. It reminds me of a house. It really does. A flat. I'm going to call this a full-timers. But let's have a look in the garage before I make any rash decisions about what I'm going to call it. Yes, I think I can call this a full-time vehicle. Also got access from the inside to the garage. I didn't show that. And there's a light in here as well. There you go. Doesn't make any difference really in this. This isn't top of the Chausson range, but it's close to it. I think that's meant to be for surfboards and things like that. Good. So, I hope you found that interesting. There you go. As it says here, fully integrated, huge living room, automatic gear, 140 horsepower, ideal for 2 adults. Sleeping places 2 to 4. You can make a sleeping thing in the lounge below, and comfort for living quality comfort or living comfort. And it comes in 2 foams. You've got this foam which you've just seen, and also has got a queen bed foam, and it's got a start-stop systems, 8 gear gearbox. It's got the driver's climate control, airbags. It's got leather. It's got electric outer mirrors, temper motor, cruise control, 16 months old. It's got 16-inch light metal hubs, panorama window in the roof, premium sleeping mattress, solar, and a lot more included in the price. There you go. So there you know. Oh, it's got an Arctic packet worth 2,990, which is given. I think an Arctic packet is a very good idea. I've got mine. I've got one in my motorhome. The people who bought it originally from you bought it, and so I've got it now. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it interesting, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf, Germany.